Hi, my name's Kat Gray, and welcome to My Sweet Digs, where I live with 5 roommates. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below. Come on in, guys. I live in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. Our apartment is $7,500 a month. I personally pay $12.25 with utilities included, and I honestly, for the space that I have, this beautiful space, I think it's perfect. Our amenities include an awesome rooftop, gym, laundry in the building. I am an actress, shoe model, occasional ballerina, and I work at a yoga studio in Williamsburg. This is the bathroom for the upstairs roommates, including myself. Look at it, it's like the most beautiful bathroom I've ever had. Deep bathtub, cool shower head, track lights, and actual drawers. I do share a bathroom with one man. He is very clean, but he does leave the seat up after he goes number 1. This is another shared bathroom. It's a little bit smaller. It's for the downstairs roommates. We moved in here without a sink, so our landlord and management company came up with a toilet sink. You have to literally push one of these buttons in order for it to flush and to use the sink. Toilet sink. I actually met my roommates through a Facebook group. I was in a bind to find an apartment. I didn't know any of them. When I first saw the listing on Facebook, I thought it might be a scam because this apartment was so updated, so beautiful, great location. My friends and family were like, "Are you sure you want to live with 5 other people? Like, I don't think that's a good idea." And honestly, I felt good about it from the get-go. Within the first week, we were all like, I think actually within the first night, we all hung out and like had dinner together. I love living with them, and if I want to be alone, I go to my bedroom, but I usually like spending time with them. There are 3 bedrooms downstairs and 3 bedrooms upstairs. Upstairs, we pay a little less because our ceilings are only like 6 feet tall. Since there are 3 men and 3 women, we're kind of like the cast of Friends. A little more ethnically diverse. This is my roommate Aristide's room, who is definitely the Joey of the group because he's very funny. He's the sweetest person, but he has a little like Joey moments. He pays $1,600 for this bedroom, and it is also the biggest one in the house. This is my roommate Henry's room, who is, I think, the Chandler of our group. He pays $1,500, I believe. This is my roommate Margot's room. She's like the Monica Geller. She pays around $1,400, and there are 3 more bedrooms upstairs. Through here is my roommate Venkat's room, who is like the Ross of the group. When I first found them on Facebook, he's actually the person I talked to, and one of the reasons why I thought it was a scam is because his profile picture is from 2008, and it's all pixelated, and he pays about $1,400 a month. And this is my roommate Eugenia's room. Her character is Phoebe. I think her and Margot might actually fight to be Monica, but Eugenia makes me laugh the way Phoebe does. Eugenia pays around $1,300 a month for her bedroom. And this is my room. As soon as somebody asks me which character I am, I don't even have to answer. They always say, you're the Rachel. I hope it's because of her fashion sense and quirkiness and her, I don't know, overall cuteness. I have a picture of Audrey Hepburn on my wall that I've had since I was 18, and it's been in every apartment I've had in New York City. She actually started out as a ballerina who was a model and then turned into this amazing Academy Award-winning actress and humanitarian. She was so beautiful inside and out. In my next dream apartment, I really want a walk-in closet again. I had one in LA and I miss it so much because I could actually fit my whole shoe collection in there. One of the best parts of being a shoe model is the free shoes. I think I probably have 150 pairs of shoes. These bad boys, they are vintage Fendi that I found in LA, one of my favorite pairs. Stuart Weitzman over the knees are it. Here is my amazing kitchen with a beautiful countertop. My roommate Margot is definitely the mother because she will get up bright and early to clean the kitchen, Swiffer the floors every day. She always makes sure the house is clean before she even leaves for work. And sometimes on Saturdays, she makes us pancakes. One of the downfalls of our apartment is the dishwasher. It doesn't close properly. So you have to open it, maneuver it out of the wall to get the latch out and then close it. This is our living area. We used to have this ugly leather brown couch. Apparently it was really gross though, like they once found mice in it. Someone offered us this brand new couch, but I love the couch because it brings us all together at the end of the day. Like our initiation here is that if you fall asleep on it, like drunk or whatever, you're in the club. Since we moved in the winter, we haven't really gotten to use the amazing roof deck upstairs. So this summer, we're definitely gonna be barbecuing and having more parties up there. I'm gonna be tanning up there when I can. I cannot wait. The nice thing about living with 5 people is that we became a family. Even if I've had the roughest day and I wanna be alone, even if I tell myself, I'm gonna go home straight up to my bedroom, I walk in here and I see their faces and I actually just wanna spend time with them. It's comforting to know that in such a huge city like New York, I'm never alone. Thanks for checking out My Sweet Digs. To watch more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click down here.